Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'll be opening up a lot of boxes in the 8-ball pool game. As you guys can see, I've got 4 legendary boxes, 1 epic box and 2 rare boxes. So we're going to start with the epic box, then we'll go to the rare box, and then we'll go to the legendary boxes and we'll see what we get in these boxes. First up, let me open up the epic box and let's see what we get in this. Unlocked 1 cube, which is good. Great, this is the cube that I got. Let's now go to rare boxes. So I've got 2 of them. Let's open them up. Let's open the first one and see what we get in this. 150 coins, 3 spins, rapier cube. This is what I got. Let's open up the other box, rare box, to see what we get in this. I'm expecting a lot when I start opening the legendary boxes because it has legendary queues. So I hope I am able to upgrade my existing queue that I have. That would be amazing if that's the case. Let's start opening up the legendary boxes. The first one, here we go. Okay, I've got 6,000 coins, 1 scratcher, Excalibur Q 1 piece. This is what I got in this. Let's now open up the second legendary box and see what we get. There we go. So 1,000 coins, 1 scratcher, free spin, and I've unlocked a legendary Q, which is amazing. This is good. I've got a new Q now. Archon, I think Archon, I don't know what you call it, but okay. I think mine is the one that I use currently is better than this. So I might continue using that, but this is good that I've received it. Open up the third legendary box, 6,000 coins, scratcher, free spin, and a piece of this cube. This is what I got in the third box. To be honest, I'm not that happy so far. We've only got 1 more box left. Let's open it up and see what happens. Okay, 1,000 coins, 1 free spin, and a piece of Minotaur Q. This is what we've got. Great. So this is what we got in the boxes. Epic box, rare box, and then 4 legendary boxes. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, bye.